What is that smell?
Huh? What smell?
It smells bad. Really bad.
Maybe it's coming from outside.
No, it's coming from here.
I don't smell anything.
Did you fart?
No, not me.
Then who?
Maybe it was the dog.
Huh? We don't even have a dog.
Right, good point.
So, was it you?
It was quiet.
It was not quiet for my nose.
Maybe it's the food.
Excuse me.
I mean strong, very strong.
Oh, did you eat all the beans?
Yes.
All of them?
Every single one.
Now we both suffer. Ben, did you go to the doctor today?
No, I didn't went.
You didn't? Went?
Yes, I didn't went because I was busy.
That's the mistake, Ben. After didn't, we use the base form. So we say, didn't go, not didn't went.
Oh. I didn't went to the doctor.
Ben, same mistake again.
Okay. I didn't go to the doctor.
That is correct.
Sweetheart, I need to tell you something about Grandpa.
Is Grandpa okay?
Grandpa passed away tonight.
Does that mean he died?
Yes, he died, and I am very sad.
Where is he now?
We believe he is in a peaceful place.
Will he come back?
No, he won't come back, but we can remember him.
Will he know that I miss him?
Yes, our love for him is still here.
Will he still like my drawings?
He always loved your drawings.
Can we look at his photos tomorrow?
Yes, we can look at them together.
Are you sad too?
Yes, but we can comfort each other.
I love you, Dad.